Hey everyone, this is Dan Barnes with PhoneSoap. Here's a video to show you quickly our PhoneSoap 3 and how it works. After opening up the box, inside you're going to find the UV sanitizer in its packaging and also the power cable in its respective packaging. After removing from the packaging, plug this side into the wall, and on the other end of the cord with the circular jack, place it right here into the back of PhoneSoap. This will power your device and it is now ready to use. To sanitize an item, just open up the PhoneSoap lid. Place the object inside. To start, you just close the lid and it starts automatically. There are no on and off switches. The blue indicator in the lightning bolt on top will turn on, letting you know the device inside is being disinfected. That will take 10 minutes. When your sanitizing is done, the blue light will turn off. Open your lid and remove your now fully disinfected device. When you close the lid, it will start again. That cleans the inside space so that it's always disinfected. If you remember, this device can also act as a cell phone charger. On this side of the device, there are two ports, a USB port and a USB-C port. You use your own charging cable to match it up to these spots. Then plug it into my phone. You'll notice your charging cable fits perfectly in this slot. Just close the lid and again the sanitizing will take 10 minutes. After the sanitizing is done, the lights will turn off and you can keep your phone in there all night and keep it charging. Don't worry, in the morning you'll still hear all of your notifications like an alarm or a phone call. We know you're going to love using PhoneSoap 3, but if you have any questions or any issues, reach out to us at cs@phonesoap.com or call us at 866-432-0525. We hope you start having a healthier lifestyle. Thanks again. much.